Hey everybody, Robert here again with more Revit training. And this is our small church project that we've been working on. And now we're going to look at our lighting and how to do switches in Revit. Okay, so here we want to be in this drawing, this level, this view, and this would be our, let me just double check and make sure. We want to have our, let's go on the project browser here so you guys can see. Our level 1 lighting plan. That's what this drawing we're going to use as. It's right there. Okay, so now I've got a few fixtures here. I've added some incandescents. Now here how you load fixtures into these drawings, into a lighting drawing. This is the ceiling, so, and we're looking up. So we're looking at properties. Kind of see all that, but first of all, let me show you how the light fixtures are inserted. So we go to Insert tab, we go to Load Family here, and we'll just go down to Lighting here, MEP Internal. So these are basically all of the internal lighting fixtures you can use. There's some that I've used here. I think I might want to do a sconce here, yeah, just for the exterior. And I might want to add a, so anyway, these are where the light fixtures are. I've got most of them in here that I want. So I'm going to just go and load that. Okay, so anyway, now here, this drawing, we can place a light fixture. So let me just place an incandescent or whatever I have here. So I will go to my Systems tab, put a light fixture. Oh, and these probably want to go outside. Not yet. I'll do those on the 3D. Let me see if I can do this here, just for the heck of it. Actually, can I? Okay. Yes, I can. So we'll deal with those later, but we'll go back to our lighting plan, and now here what you need to do is we need to add switches. So this is what drawn would be our lighting plan and our switch layout. So what I want to do here is go into my properties for this view and go down to view range because I need to see a little more information below. Our view range is, where is it? I'm sorry guys. Okay. There you go. So here in here, I'm going to change this cut plane. I'm going to just cut it down 3 feet. And click apply. Okay. Now, so now we can see everything, like our doors, a little more information, because what we need to do is place these receptacles or these switches for the doors. Now, they wanted these doors this way, but I'm thinking I'm going to switch them if I can in this view. Oh, actually I can, because it's better for they let you guys have the switches here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go here now and go to my Systems tab, and I'm going to go to device. Oh, I got switch already selected, so lighting, and here we will place a switch. So now we want to place it on vertical face, so we'll have a switch there. I would go at least one in each room, and this is something you kind of want to lay out and the range how you want these to go in, where they should be, or how this happened. I mean, I'm just doing standard layouts, like this one will be here. We need one for the little bathroom here. because we want to get a light fixture there, probably incandescent. But anyway, so that's how we would do all of our switches. I think we need one here. So hey guys, yeah, so that's basically how we would do our layout for our ceiling plan for this small little church project I'm working on. And then as far as, sorry, cancel that. We'll probably need to switch here. Down there. So I haven't, this is just basically how I do it now. Then again, as far as circuiting these light fixtures, it basically works the same way as we did with the power or whatever, but I think that might be another video, so let's just kind of preview into that now. So we got about another minute. I'll select this, and then I will hit power here. Well, I'll select this light fixture. Okay. So hey guys, running out of time here. I'm gonna leave it there, but that's how you would do the light fixture, the system, the lighting plan. So yeah, we got all our switches in, and then we can circuit it as well. Power. Okay. Well, we'll do that another video on that one. I don't want to press you too hard and go too far along, because I gotta learn it too. So hey guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Start from the beginning of this tutorial that I've done here, because I think it's pretty good. It's just a little small project that I have going. I try to share these with basically for clients or people that want to learn Revit. So there's our plan again, still intact, getting the power in. And this is our ceiling. So this is the focus of this last project, was to work on the ceiling, and we've got our switches in. And next we'll go into doing things like our interior elevations and partial plans. So hey guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Everybody be safe. Bye.